Hello, I'm Thomas and welcome back to Adventures with Trains. An oddity is defined as a strange, peculiar thing or person. Britain being the birthplace of railways, there have been a fair share of oddities in the last 400 years. Today I'm taking a closer look at Norfolk's very own railway oddity, near to the village of Themelthorpe. Built to halve the 52-mile circuitous route of good trains between Northorpe and Norwich City via Cromer and Melton Constable stations that had greatly frustrated British rail traffic managers, laying of 468 yards of rail that formed the Themelthorpe Curve, the last railway track to be built in Norfolk, was completed on the 12th of September 1960. With the Great Eastern County School branch now linked to the Midland and Great Northern City branch, trains left the Bitton line at Roxton Station traversing the former Great Eastern Railway County School branch as far as Reetham, slowed to 10 miles per hour as they entered the tightest radius bend of railway track, if not on the whole of the UK's national network, then certainly within the county of Norfolk. Now pretty much rooted back on themselves along the remains of the former Midland and Great Northern City branch to terminate at Norwich City Station. Following the complete closure of Norwich City Station in 1969, concrete works related products continued to be ferried along the Themelthorpe Curve by rail until November 1981. Lifting of track was completed in 1985, leaving the track bed and remains of railway infrastructure for nature to slowly reclaim. Happily, 43 years since the last train used this minor railway oddity, the flat nature of the track bed provides a smooth surface in its new guise as a public footpath, cycle and bridleway. Built at the time of mass closures that came to Britain's railways in the 50s and 60s, the Themelthorpe Curve really falls into the category of a railway oddity. As a railway enthusiast, I'm happy to see that 39 years after this line closed, that it hasn't been forgotten. Thanks for watching my first video in a series I'm calling Railway Oddities. Don't forget to subscribe, like and leave a comment below. It will really help the channel to grow. Thanks for watching. Bye!